The 2021 and newer Ford F-250 with the 10-speed automatic transmission often develops a harsh, clunky shift. The direct fix for this issue is resetting the transmission control module's adaptive learning tables using a diagnostic tool like FORScan or a dealer-level scanner. This 10-speed transmission is designed to learn your specific driving habits over time. It constantly adjusts fluid pressures and shift points to optimize performance and fuel economy. Sometimes the computer builds a corrupted shift table. This results in rough gear engagements, especially when downshifting into third or first gear. Clearing this bad data forces the transmission to start over from factory defaults. To do this yourself, connect a reliable OBD2 adapter to your truck and open the FORScan software on your laptop. Turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Navigate to the service icon in FORScan. Find the transmission control module section. Look for the option labeled Clear Transmission Adaptive Tables and run the service procedure. The software will prompt you to turn the ignition off and back on. Once the tables are cleared, the truck enters a relearn phase. It is critical to drive the truck smoothly with light to moderate throttle for the next 50 miles. Avoid heavy towing or aggressive acceleration during this period. The transmission will rebuild its shift strategy, resulting in smooth, predictable gear changes.